This week's video is going to be about creating a table of contents in documents. This method will also work for a Google slideshow. However, with the Google slideshow, you can create the table of contents, but you can only link to a slide, not a bit of information on that slide. So the reason I came up with this is that we're doing schedules in my class, and the electives are really confusing. So what I wanted to do was to create a document that would simplify that. So what I've got here are the electives that kids can take in the 9th grade. And then I've got the individual electives listed here. And then what I wanted to happen was I wanted a student to be able to click on the name of the elective and be able to see more information about that. So you can see if they click on this, it takes them to that section where I've got more information about that elective. And there's two ways to do it. One of the ways involves an add-on. And if I go up here, this is a Google Doc. If I go up to add-ons and get add-ons, and there's one called Table of Contents. And here's the add-on. You can click the little plus sign to add it for free to your document. And it works pretty well, but it works using headings. So as you type your notes or whatever it would be, you would highlight a topic or something like that, and then you would go up here, and this would normally say normal text, but I've actually already changed mine to heading 2. And what it does is that add-on uses these headings, which you have to set, again, as you type, and it creates a table of contents automatically over here on the side. So here's my table of contents for this entire document. And if they click on one of these topics, it'll take them to that section of the document. So that's nice. It does all the work for you, but you have to have this add-on installed to be able to see this. So that means every one of my students would need this add-on installed too. And we could do that, but it's kind of a pain. And it's just one more thing that could get messed up when students are doing it. Now this method does require a little bit more work on your part, but it works automatically and kids don't have to do anything. So for this, I've got some history notes that I'm going to use. And I'm going to type my table of contents at the top of the document. So I'm going to go with dates, places, and events, vocabulary, documents, and people. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down here to my notes, and I'm going to highlight this first section, and I'm going to go to Insert, Bookmark. And then I'm going to keep doing that. Here's Places, Insert, Bookmark, Vocabulary, Insert, Bookmark, Documents, and People. And then I'm going to go up here to my table of contents, and I'm going to highlight the first section right here. I'm going to go Insert, Link, and right here you'll notice bookmarks. So I can click this and say Important Dates. So I'm going to do the next one. And I can go up here to the Insert menu and do that, or you can click this button right here. It does the same thing. And again, bookmarks. And these are automatically added. When you do the Insert Bookmark, it automatically puts them in here for you. Then Vocabulary. Oops. And then the last one is people. If you like using the heading method, if you change this to a heading right here, like heading 2, when you go up here to, let me just do it right here. If I go up here to link, it also will automatically put headings in this list as well, if you want to do it that way. So now this is set up, and no matter how many pages there are under these, if a student clicks on people, it automatically takes them to that section of the document.